Hey guys, today we have a 2018 Mercedes GLC300 and customers complaining that they're getting some crackling out of the speaker, so we went ahead and we ordered a speaker from Mercedes and we're going to replace it. And this is the actual speaker here. Tiny little thing. Hopefully you can see it there. And the part number for this, I don't know if it starts with an A, but it says on the receipt here, 205-820-4203. And I believe the 205 stands for this section. This one has a different number because they had actually sent me a diagram. Anyways, what you're gonna need here is you're gonna need a Torx T30 to take off a couple of bolts that are under here. And then once we get those bolts off, we're going to go ahead and pull on the panel. Might need a light to get under here to be able to see the T30s. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop the panel up to about right here. We're not going to pull up right in this section here. You don't have to take the tweeter off. This should pull forward. And then what we're going to do is we're going to try to slide the panel that way because it has a special type of clip on here that when you push it that way, it should release it and get the panel out. And then we get the panel, we're going to unplug everything we can. So let me go ahead and get you in, pull you in, and let's get started. So the first Torx, will be located right in here. There's one there. It's kind of hidden. There's one. You're gonna need a long shaft here in order to be able to get in there. I found it easiest to grab a hold of here, try to pull it, probably be able to snap some of the clip off. There it is. So we're gonna go up to there. Should be one more. Same clip. So the clip is right here, so you can pop it up to about right there. And then we want to try to go that way. Kind of a little tough. Oh, looks like it already came off. Was on the rod, that's why. So basically, I'll show you real quick here. So I actually pushed it over so I can take it off of the panel. So the clip came off of the panel, and it also loosened this up too. But the problem with doing it this way, trying to go up, is that there's a second tab on the bottom. So that's not going to usually come off. So that's why I try to slide it to get the panel off of the clip. Then we'll just slide this back onto the panel. When we put it back in, it'll snap into place. There's a couple harnesses in here. So the key is off. We're going to unplug these two below harnesses right here. Push on the tab, pull it out. Push on the tab, pull it out. And then the speaker one is right here. That one's got a tiny little tab right there. And you pull it out, unplug the speaker. Yeah. So basically you're gonna pull it, get it out of there, and then this will just pop up and out. And the panel's off. Oh, it's pressured in there. It snaps in. you just use your door panel tool or screwdriver to get it out. Make sure you put it in the same position that the other one is in, just like that. So this is the bad one. Put the good one back in. There's a little piece of paper and then it should have probably been in there. I wonder if that's what was rattling. Make sure it snaps back in. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. So we'll go back and connect the speaker, plug these in, and put the cable back on. Okay, our two T30s. I would probably suggest putting these in by hand first before screwing them in, much as you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and there's one. There's two. And that pretty much does it, guys. That's how you pull the door panel on this thing, and that's how you replace the speaker. Thanks for watching.